Another one. I turned this one off.
A flash flood warning for the following county: Medina, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for southern Medina County in northeastern Ohio until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wadsworth, Lodi, Chippewa Lake, Seville, Westfield Center, Gloria Glens Park, Chippewa on the Lake, and Briarwood Beach. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Medina, Ohio.